time. Take me back to that moment nung una mong nakita si Victoria Hope.
You know what, Tito Boy? I actually cried. Pero not because of happiness, but it felt like my body failed her because she was premature. Nung linabas ko siya, she was 8 months, incubator. So, ang hirap maging masaya kasi linalaban niya talaga yung life niya, Tito Boy. Imagine mo, at such a young age na walang kaalam-alam sa buhay, linalaban niya. So, I was really, really sad, and I honestly kind of blamed myself. Pero napakatapang po ng daughter ko.
Your
She's
daughter
so strong.
is going to watch this interview 10, 15 years from now. Anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Huwag siyang tangang pumili ng lalaki. No, Hopi, pwede ba ako tumingin sa camera?
Yes.
Hopi, I really, 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 really love you. As in, sobra kitang mahal. I love you more than I love myself. I love you more than I love love. And sana talaga, I pray talaga na mapunta ka sa tamang lalaki or babae in the future kasi magiging sobrang laking part yun sa life ko.
Are you co-parenting with baby daddy?
No, I'm co-parenting with his mom. I tried though.
Again. Paliwanag mo. Paano? So you're co-parenting
With his mom!
sa nanay ng iyong ex?
Yes!
Okay.
Wala akong masabi kay tita. Tita, if you're watching this, napakabait mo. Pero yung anak mo talaga, hindi ko gusto. Charot lang. Hindi. Tito Boy, I tried, okay? I tried. Pinakita ko, nagsama kami, nag-acting kami na para kaming pamilya. Pero bumalik lahat ng sakit eh. Kasi, alam mo yun, when I was pregnant, wala talagang anything eh. Tapos ngayon, Tito Boy, kahit na sabihin ko na ayoko, ikaw mag-adjust for me, siguro nag-e-expect pa rin ako, Tito Boy, na he would try. Kasi nakalabas na yung daughter namin, pero wala talaga eh. Alam mo, one thing that I learned from men is, if they really wanted to, they would. Kahit anong sabihin ko na ayoko, wag mong kitain anak ko, pupuntahan niya kasi gusto niya, anak niya yun. Pero wala talaga, walang ganun eh.
Bea, narinig ko itong narrative mo. Ang daming pagkukulang, ang daming mali ng iyong baby daddy, ng iyong ex. Pero tanong, ano naman ang pagkukulang mo sa relasyon na ito?
Perfect po ako. Charot lang. Siguro kasi masyado akong nagger. At yung mga lalaki kasi ayaw nila yun. Ayaw nilang pinagsasabihan sila ng
So knowing that,
gagawin.
hindi ka ba tumahimik?
Hindi ko kaya, Tito Boy. Yes, social media nga, ang ingay-ingay ko. But yeah, I just can't. Parang kailangan ko palaging i-point out yung mistakes niya, yung ginagawa niya. And I feel like sometimes hindi ako mabait eh. Hindi ako mabait. Kaya, ayun, feeling ko nasasaktan ko din.
May isang kasabihan na pag halimbawa galit ka pa, you express yung galit mong ito sa iyong ex, parang sabi nila may natitira pa raw na pagtingin.
Huh?
Can you be friends? You can't be friends.
Ay, hindi ko talaga kaya.
Talaga?
Kasi minahal ko siya, di ba?
Ganun kalalim ang galit.
Yeah, di ba nga sabi ni Vice ganda, you can't be friends with your ex kasi it's either mahal mo pa rin siya or hindi mo siya minahal.
I respect that. Bea, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Kailangan may fast talk tayo.
Yes!
Kailangan may fast talk tayo, Bea. Okay. Bea, pretty or petty?
Pretty.
Baby, pabebe.
Baby.
Ganda, yaman.
Pareho.
Makeup, no makeup.
No makeup.
Food review, exam review.
Both.
Vlog, teleserye.
Vlog.
Malambot, maharot.
Maharot.
Maarte, machika.
Maarte.
Matibay, marupok.
Matibay.
Your most favorite mommy duty.
Carrying her.
Your least favorite.
Changing diapers.
One line for your followers.
I love you guys.
One line for your BFFs.
I love you to the moon and back.
One line for your exes.
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
One line for your bashers.
Thank you sa pagyayaman sa akin.
Yes or no? Pumapatol pa rin sa bashers.
Yes.
Yes or no? Naniniwala sa second chance.
No.
Yes or no? Babalik sa pag-aartista.
Pwede.
Yes or no? Ready na ulit umibig.
Hindi pa.
Lights on or lights off?
Both.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness because hope is my happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime!
One word to describe yourself as a mother.
As a mother, as a loving.
Oh.
Very loving, lambing.